Good morning. It is Monday, July 8th. This is my 5th week, I believe, that we're starting. Honestly, like the workouts, the reading, the water, those parts have not been hard at all for me. The eating in general has just been hard for me. I've noticed in a few of my other videos that I don't really eat that much, and I really just don't know how to fix that. I'm just not a super hungry person. I need to work. Okay, so I am feeling much better. I had a good day at work. I got like almost $7,000 in collections, which is great because I'm not going to be here on Thursday, which reminds me, I'm not quite sure what to do for Thursday because I'm going to be traveling to get my hair done. My flight leaves at 5 a.m. I get to Phoenix at 6:15, I think, and then I'll probably have to take like a 7 a.m. shuttle. Hopefully get there by like 8:30. My appointment for my hair is at 9:30, and then I'm going to lunch at Guadalajara Grill with my mom, and then she and my father are driving me back up to Phoenix so that I can catch my flight. I talked about this in my first video. It's just like kind of impossible to like have a normal life. Though my mom says it's not normal to fly somewhere to get your hair done. That might be true. I'm not willing to go try a random place because I've had bad experiences with that stuff before. Like I've gone to Tony and Guy to get a relaxer done there, and I think they know how to work really well with not African hair. Because it doesn't look like it, but like if I didn't relax my hair and I wore it natural, I could have an afro. 4 o'clock right now. I don't know where I put my phone at. HDMI 3. Bless you. Even get to finish. I think I'm gonna focus pretty heavy on abs today just because I feel like I haven't really done too much ab workout. Put on some Pamela Reif ab videos. She kicks my ass. Post abs, not really that tired. Abs aren't that hard for me personally. I really don't feel like going for a walk, but I know that I have to. Just got home from the walk with Mr. Oliver. I really need to finish that video, like I really need to, and start editing the next video, and I feel like this entire day has literally only been talking. I am gonna just check back in with you guys when I start making my dinner because, well, I'm gonna shower really quick and then I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna work on the video. Maybe. Good morning. It is Tuesday, July 9th. I have an orthodontist appointment in about an hour and a half. I did wake up at 6. I wanted to have breakfast before I went to the orthodontist because I don't know if they're going to be doing adjustments, but I didn't have time to do so, so I'm going to have to cook food when I get back, and it's just going to be like something simple, like bacon and eggs, not sure yet. Brush my teeth and wash my face right now, and as soon as I finish that, I have a phone call to make that I need to make because it's good money, so. Okay, so I have this phone call that I need to make for work. I tried the card again this morning and it still wasn't going through. I need to go, like literally as of 2 minutes ago. We're in Boulder now. You guys, I'm so freaking upset at myself. My appointment isn't until 3:30. So I just wasted this whole time, and I thought that I was gonna be smart and use like my 2 breaks and my lunch to drive here, because that's an hour, which I just used. And you know, no. Okay, let me grab it. The card you're using is not the one on file, right? It's a different one? Oh, it is the one on file? Okay. Oh my god. Now my battery's dying, of course. How annoying. I literally feel like I barely filmed and I just put a brand new battery in. Like, what the heck? Sony. I am on my way back to the orthodontist. I finally went downstairs, took Oliver out, got my camera. Usually I would kind of fix my hair because it looks a little frizzy, but since I'm going to Arizona the day after tomorrow, I'm gonna leave it because it's been so long since I've got my hair relaxed. I want it to be a little bit easier for her to see like kind of where she needs to go from, if that makes sense. So I'm just letting my hair get curlier and curlier at the roots every day instead of fixing it like I normally do. I have this face mask and I really want to try this. I'm about to do like all of my other skincare and it is still a little early, so I think maybe I want to steam as well. But I wanted to try this face mask first. I think it's okay to do both. This is a hydrating mask. This is kind of like a relaxing, it's a clay mask. So clay masks are always gonna be better for acne and like drying pimples out and stuff. So let's do that. It always looks a little funny with just a mask right here, but I swear this mask is so good for my like hormonal pimples and stuff like that. I will use it on my face if I'm getting like breakouts on my cheeks and stuff, but I don't really get them that much anymore. Like, it's a very rare occasion. So I try not to put, you know, drying clay masks or like too much drying products on the rest of my face because I feel like it is okay, but I do really like this mask. So I'm gonna go chill for a little bit, like 15 minutes with the fan, then I'm gonna switch masks.
Know that I'ma ignore you all night, all night. Know that I'ma decline your calls, right, but I know that when I get home I'll check in my phone to see what you want, see what you wrote, cause I wanna know, I wanna know. Yeah, I'll be on my way out thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking how it's done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you, of you, of you. So tell me why I get this feeling.
I literally got up one time to get a fork and then I didn't get a fork. So annoying. Why do I do that? I'm gonna eat this and watch The Desperate Housewives, the DP. Good morning. My hair looks crazy. My teeth hurt so bad. Yo. Oh my god. can see in the back that my hair isn't flat. It's like poofy on the top. That's because my roots got curly. Honestly, that mask I used last night, I'm going to have to like purchase a whole container of that mask. I was just giving you that callback, miss. We spoke yesterday. I'm good, how are you? So it is literally 1 o'clock. I am hungry and I have been hungry, but my teeth hurt so freaking bad. I feel so frustrated with myself because I feel like I am just like sucking at this 75 hard stuff, at least the food portion of everything, because I feel like, first of all, I don't really eat a lot to begin with. I really only eat 1 to 2 meals a day, which for me is comfortable. Like, I don't get hungry, but I am hungry right now. And I really want to make like some turkey bacon and eggs, which the eggs would be easy to eat. But like toast or anything like that, like my teeth just hurt.
I love this show. There's a slight misunderstanding in the Scavo. I was able to eat my whole...
Okay, so I am almost done editing this video. I've like put all the music, no, I have not put the music. No, wait, yes I did. I did put the music in. I need to see if there's any text that I want to add, and then just watch it over once more, and then it should be good to go. And then I need to make the thumbnail.
It's beautiful, so beautiful. 'Cause you know the world is beautiful.
You guys, I really cannot express to you how badly my teeth are hurting right now. I'm tired of this, I'll tell you that.
Make the world so beautiful, so beautiful.
Okay, so literally it's 9:30. I have to wake up at 2 a.m. Or like 2:30 to get ready for my flight because I want to wear makeup because I want to look cute tomorrow after I got my hair done and stuff. I am gonna eat right now. I got some baked potato soup and I also got these like mini sliders, but I put the sliders in the oven and they're already made. And I don't really want them, to be honest. Like, my teeth are just hurting. So I messed up on that, but it's fine. I'm so afraid that if I fall asleep, I'm not going to wake up for my flight. So my video is uploading, well, downloading on my laptop. I have my soup here, and I'm just going to watch some YouTube videos. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I am in Arizona now. Let me tell you, I forgot my freaking charger for my laptop, so I can't really watch YouTube videos. I'm gonna save my laptop battery for when I come back because my mom is dropping me off here and I'm gonna be left with nothing to do. So I'm gonna save my laptop battery for that. I did get a burrito at Starbucks because it's like the only thing that's open right now and I'm starving. Also got a Java chip frappuccino, which I probably could have made better choices as far as like healthy options go, but my teeth are hurting so bad right now. I'm waiting for the shuttle. I have a whole hour before it comes, so I guess I'm gonna watch YouTube videos on my cell phone for now. I just got off work. My mom mailed my camera to me, so it won't be here till Monday, which means unfortunately I have to use my cell phone for all filming until then, and I honestly don't enjoy using my phone that much. Okay, so I just finished watching White Collar with my bestie, and we're going to hop on FaceTime tomorrow with or not tomorrow, tonight, with our other friend Tasha and Kayla, that's my bestie, and we're going to start The Bachelorette or The Bachelor. I don't know. I've never seen either of those shows personally. I'm not really gonna work out at the gym since I just got my relaxer. I can't really sweat like crazy. Like next week, I'll start getting back into doing more intense workouts, and I'm just gonna read while I walk on the treadmill so I can get that completely out of the way. But yeah, I'm gonna go change for the gym really quick. In the process of editing this video that is being watched right now by you. I kind of just started falling off this week. Honestly, since I went to Arizona, it was just really difficult to maintain everything. I started falling off on the editing, as you guys saw. I'll go over it more in next week's 75 hard video, which is the last one for this round. I'm going to redo it, but I have, in my opinion, a very good reason for failing. I didn't intend on failing, but I did. So next week's video is going to be really short. Technically, I did fail on this Saturday that you guys are about to watch. I hope you enjoy this like 30-second Saturday that I have here for you guys. Good morning, even though it's not really morning anymore, it's kind of the afternoon. I didn't really show it, but I had this beautiful pizza from Trader Joe's. It was a frozen pizza. And with my besties, neither of them live here. One lives in Texas, the other is in North Carolina. But with both of them, we started watching The Bachelorette. I've never seen that show. This is my first time watching really any kind of reality dating show or whatever. Okay, so I haven't worked out yet. I'm still gonna go on a walk when I get home. I'm hoping that I feel better later after I've like eaten and stuff. Like I said, I don't think I'm gonna get any cocktails like while I'm with my friends, even though that's the whole point of us meeting. I just am not vibing with it, but who knows, maybe I'll have something. But the place we're going to, they have iced coffee, so I could be down for like an iced coffee. Yeah, Alpenglow.